most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first Lush Kitchen box unboxing for 2023. Today we are diving into the January box. I am so incredibly excited. I have not seen any spoilers whatsoever, so I'm really looking forward to diving into this box, and I just cannot believe we are already doing the January box. I feel like it's been not very long since I've been doing these unboxings, but I think this is my second year doing it, which insane. It's gone far too quickly for my liking. But without further ado, we are going to dive into the box. I'm so excited, so I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so opening the box, it says unbox retro favorites. I am so excited now because I feel like we're gonna have some really classic items in here. Let's dive in. I am so excited. I cannot contain my excitement. Okay, what do we have? Ooh, okay, party like it's 1995. I'm not gonna read this because I feel like it might give away a few of the items, so I'm gonna pop that down. But the first thing we have, what is this? Is this a bag? What is it? Oh, it is a bag. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so the first item we have is an adorable Lush tote bag. I love a good tote bag, especially now that I'm really into reading. I love going book shopping with a tote bag. It just makes it so much easier. But I love a good Lush bag. Look how cute that is. I really enjoy it when Lush put a little bit of their kind of like swag in the box, because I feel like it just makes the box a little bit more special because you get a little keepsake. Do you know what I mean? So really impressed with that one. So now we are diving into the actual products. I'm so excited. This box smells incredible. So let's go for this one. Ooh, what is that? Narcotic purifying shower gel. I absolutely love the labels as well. They're very retro. I absolutely love that. I have never heard of narcotic shower gel before. Maybe I am living under a rock and maybe this is a really popular item, but I have never heard of it before. Ingredients wise, it has rose petal infusion, lavender water, lemon juice, sea salt, lemongrass oil, sage oil, tea tree. Let's give it a smell because that sounds delish. Oh, okay, it's like a bright blue. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but it is like a fluorescent blue colour. Oh, it kind of smells like a spa, but like, you know, like a, oh wait, the more you smell it, the more you get some like different layers of smell, because you can really get the floral rose in there, but then you get like a waft of lavender. That is really good. Really relaxing but uplifting at the same time. So that's the first item, some narcotic shower gel. I'm really, really excited about that and I've never heard of it before. So good one, Lush. Let's continue. So next up in the box, again, as always, I try to go for all the bottled and potted things first. So I am going to try and find this one. Okay. Do you know what I feel like? I felt very confident in my Lush knowledge until about 5 minutes ago when I had never heard of the narcotic shower gel before, and I had never heard of this either. This is the Starcraft facial cleanser, and on the bottle it says, cleanse the Milky Way. This gentle blend of creamy oat milk and calming lavender rejuvenates the skin for gorgeous radiance. And ingredients wise in this one, it has oat milk, almond oil, honeysuckle infusion, lavender flower infusion and lavender oil. Let's give it a smell. Okay, that's really subtle. It almost smells like nothing, which in a way I guess you want in a gentle cleanser. It just smells like a really nice cream. Does that make sense? Oh, it feels lovely. Yeah, it kind of smells like the Ceridwen's Cauldron bath melt. Does that still exist? Did it get discontinued? I can't even remember. But yeah, Starcraft facial cleanser. I love it, and I absolutely love these stickers. I just love how retro they look, so loving it, Lush. Let's keep going. Okay, next up, let's dive into this one. Okay, this is a weighty bath bomb. Oh, that smells really good. That smells like Space Girl and Dragon's Egg mixed together. So this is the Slammer Bath Bomb, and ingredients wise we have got fine sea salt, lime oil, cuba oil, gardenia extract, lemon oil. Yeah, it kind of smells like Dragon's Egg and Avo Bath, but I do get a waft of Space Girl, unless that's something else in the box, but that smells really good and really citrusy. Yum. I love that. And it's a really lovely kind of pastel green with like a yellow kind of in it as well. It's really, really cool. Yummy. I absolutely love that. Good job, Lush. Next up we have, ooh, okay, whoa, this is moisturising. Okay, let's try and pick it up without it melting in my fingers. I have no idea what this is. Okay, we have what I assume to be a piece of soap. Wow, that smells like banana. Oh, that smells so good. It's really moisturising. That is incredibly moisturising. It's melting in my fingers. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is the Banana Moon Soap. And ingredients wise in this one we have rapeseed oil, coconut oil, glycerin, soya yogurt, fair trade bananas, coconut oil, gardenia extract. It basically smells like banana, but it's so good. Not like fake banana, but not like a real banana, like a mix of both. It's so good. And this is incredibly moisturising. Like, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it on my fingers, but it's really moisturising and almost sticky. Wow, okay, that is delish. I am really obsessed with that. That is so good. Last but definitely not least, I always feel like these boxes go really, really quickly, but I think it's just because I would never want them to end. But we have what looks to be a bubble bar. It's kind of like a more mature creamy candy looking thing. Wow. I have never smelled a smell like that before. That's really unique and different. Kind of smells earthy though, which you guys know isn't for me, but it does smell good. It's really fresh. This is Anti Pomelo, the bubble bar, obviously. And inside we have cream of tartar, ylang ylang, vanilla absolute, rose absolute, gardenia extract, chamomile powder, dried red rose petals. Very hard to say. Wow. That does smell really like mature, like an anti, like a really mature anti. I feel like I'm getting it on my face. I actually really, really like this, and I didn't think I would because there is an undertone of like garden, but there is more of a creamy rose floral smell. That's really good. That would be lovely in like a nice relaxing bath with a candle on. Delicious, and I think I'm getting it everywhere, but that's so good. Yum! So that is everything for the Lush kitchen box for January. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. I really liked this month's box. I liked the fact that I've never even heard of any of these products before, so this is something really exciting and really different for me. So I'm really looking forward to diving in and using them, especially this creamy cleanser. I think that's going to be really lovely. So I am really, really impressed. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below on it. Did you get this box? Did you skip this box? I would love to know. And obviously don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I do these videos every single month. So if you don't want to miss next month's video, then please make sure you subscribe. I would love to hit 11,000 subscribers this year. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. And that is everything. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.